Hi there, I am Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and this is my doggie Penny, and she wanted to be a part of this lesson, so she might just take a little nap here. Here we go. So thanks for coming to the sound juggling lesson, and I want you to not worry about the letters, just process the sounds. So block the letters out, and let's go ahead and get started. It will help if you listen to the sounds, see the sounds, and say the sounds. All three are really important, and you can touch the sounds too. So as I am touching them with my mouse, you can touch them in the air with your hand. So here is the first one. This is ab, ab. In ab, what if I take off the b? You are left with a. Here is ale, ale. In ale, what if I take off the a? You are left with ul. Here is ipe, ipe. In ipe, what if I take off the I? You are left with p, 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 like in penny. This is my dog, Penny. Okay, here is the next one. It is auf, auf. In auf, what if I take off the f? You are left with ow. Here is ook, ook. In ook, what if I take off the oo? You are left with k. Here is ooth, ooth. In ooth, what if I take off the th? You are left with ooh, ooh. Here is earn, earn. In earn, what if I take off the n? You are left with er. Here is earth, earth. In earth, what if I take off the f? You are left with Here is art, art. In art, what if I take off the R? You are left with t. Here is ave, ave. In ave, what if I take off the A? You are left with v. Here is atch, atch. In atch, what if I take off the a? You are left with ch. Here is all, all. In all, what if I take off the a? You are left with ul. Here is urge, urge. In urge, what if I take off the j? You are left with Here is earn, earn. In earn, what if I take off the n? You are left with Here is ed, ed. In ed, what if I take off the d? You are left with e. Here is ear, ear. In ear, what if I take off the e? You're left with Here is l, L. In L, what if I take off the e? You're left with ul. Here is all, all. In all, what if I take off the ah? You are left with ul. Here is all, all, In what if I take off the al? You are left with mm. Here is odd, odd. In odd, what if I take off the d? You are left with ah. Here is ebb, ebb. In ebb, what if I take off the e? You are left with b. Here is out, out. In out, what if I take off the t? You are left with ow. Here is oz, oz. In oz, what if I take off the z? You are left with ah. Here is as, as. In as, what if I take off the a? You are left with z. Here is oil, oil. In oil, what if I take off the You are left with oi. And here is ohm, ohm. In ohm, what if I take off the o? You are left with mm. Thank you so much for coming to the Sound Juggling program. I hope everybody has a super fun day. Bye. And Penny says bye too. Bye. Thanks.